So far we have seen how computers remember information and make decisions. But what if we have written some great program and want to reuse the same code later on? Like what if we want to write a program which shows some information about a university to students repeatedly whenever they want? Or maybe we want to create a program which can add two numbers together and let other people use your code. In those cases, Java lets us group code together in something called a function or a method. A function is a group of statements or code which is identified by a name, and it holds all the instructions and decision making that is performed in a specific task. You might not even realize, but you have actually been using function throughout this course. Whenever you have used system.out.println to print a line, you have been calling the function println, which is a built-in Java function, and calling a function is just referring to that function by its name using in your program. And you can call the same function as many times as you want in your program. Think of when we have written multiple println lines of code. Each of these is a function call, and every time you make a function call, Java will recognize the name of the function and it will look inside its own code for a function definition with the same name. We'll get more into the function definition later on. But a function definition includes the name of the function and all the code which that function contains. When you call a function like say system.out.println, it is equivalent to executing all the code in the definition of println. So when you call println over and over again, all these calls will refer to the same one function definition. Java will see a call like this and then look to the definition to execute the code inside of this function. Just imagine if we had to write the code for printing a message over and over again. Luckily, since println is a function, we are able to use the code as many times as we want just by referring to the function name with a function call. So function calls to the function like println lets us print stuff out to our screen, but we don't need to know the specifics of the code being executed.